Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix GTA V crashing on loading screen. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks. Okay, the first step is to go to Steam. If you don't have Steam, stay that I will explain you how to do it on Epic Games. Library. Right-click on GTA V properties, installed files, and click here. And wait until everything is verified. If you have Epic Games, do the following. Go to Library, then in GTA V, click on the three dots. Manage, Verify. Now we will go to the location where we have GTA installed. Once here, right-click Properties, Compatibility. Click here and select Windows 7. Then activate these two checkboxes. Then click on Change Settings for all users and do the same. Apply. OK, and then restart the PC. If you found the video useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.